and I'll leave you guys with this because the cash hour is over. Coach CHRISPECTS Amazon selling hour is almost over, but I'll leave you with this. When you have a product, whether it's a private label product or you're doing retail arbitrage, and you have a product that you like or a niche that you want to build within, use other platforms to help you build your product, your brand. Start a Facebook page, start a Facebook group, start an Instagram page, start a Pinterest, start a, Snapchat. I don't even do Snapchat, but start a Twitter account for your product, for your brand, for that niche. Start 5 of them, not just one. Just like it'd be silly to launch one private label product and expect success. I did. I had success, but I also had failure. And I realized, why was I taught to just launch? I will never teach people to launch one product ever again. My war cry is launch 4 private label products, not 1. 2 if you can. 4 is optimum. Okay. But back to it. Why would you just launch 1 Facebook page or 1 Instagram account when you can launch multiples and develop that niche? And be smart about it. People like cats. Maybe people like cats who eat hot sauce. You know what I mean? And then maybe ultimately you are a hot sauce niche guy in retail arbitrage, and you start driving your affiliate links or posting your links to your retail arbitrage products after you have a certain subscriber base within your channel, your group, your page, for cat loving hot sauce loving cats, or hot sauce loving dogs, or whatever. Animals sell. Hot sauce is funny, and that was just off the cuff. Specific to your brand that you're trying to develop. Okay, you might do a page specific to your brand, but don't just do 1. You got to do multiple, and obviously it's free. It's a free way to do business. And then a lot of people don't know about pay-per-click. You must be a millionaire if you don't know about pay-per-click. It's crazy that you don't know. If you're not using pay-per-click on Amazon, you must be rich. All right, guys, my hour is up. Thank you for hanging out with me. Not much going on as far as the chatting, but there was some great questions. So there's some great information in this one. I hope you guys liked it. Appreciate it. We'll do this again next Wednesday, and likely I'll probably be on here a few times before then as well. I will leave you with this. I'm going live on Black Friday. So tomorrow is Thursday. Friday, Black Friday, I'm going live any store that I'm in. So I'm going to do live streams from inside stores that I hit up on Black Friday. So if you're interested in that, hit that bell, because that's really the only way you're going to find out when I go live. So definitely subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell wherever it is, and you'll get alerted when I go live in different stores. And I'll do buys. I'll scan everything. I'll have my wife with me, so we'll have both scanners go. We'll film the phones, and we'll show you guys the different buys I'm going to make. I don't know. We'll probably spend a couple $1,000. So you'll see a lot of buys going on Black Friday. So hopefully I can find some cool things in toys and electronics for you guys. But that's Friday live. Guys, check it out. Coach CHRISPECT, the wise guy on Instagram. Peace.